So, again, you took the screws off the back, and now what? Take this off as the next part. So you, I think, roll it forward. Okay. Oh, there's a wire harness right there. And this gets disconnected on this side from, there's a little tab that you push down first, and then pop that middle one out. And this is how you change the door lock. Now you can get this whole assembly out of your way. Okay, I'll take it and put it over here for now. Put it on top of the dog food. And here we go. We have a lot going on, don't we?
Yeah.
So we got terminals and all sorts of stuff. What we need to do is to remove the door latch connector, which is on this side where you just were, the first one. Yep, that's the door latch one. So you better remove it. And you're going to just unflip it. There you go. And you notice that it is connected on a, what's that called? You don't use your scissors, because I think, there isn't a wire harness on that. So that makes me think that this has been prepared before. We'll also have to unscrew that. Yep, that's the open plate. And here is your socket and your tool. Same size for a wrench. So what we're going to do is, now there's a wire harness. Let's try to let everybody see that. Wire harness cover. Yep. Take that cover off. Okay. Beautiful. It's a good idea to put that in your box of stuff. So now that you got that apart, let's move to the front of the machine. Okay. Put our little box of tricks over there. And here we go. You can put your drill down for now. Yep, we're going to open this bad boy. But you're going to still need that drill. Now you need the spatula. Okay. And here you come. Not the drill, the spatula. Well, give me the drill for now. Perfect. This is the first time doing this too, by the way. Okay, you don't really need that one up. You need the whole mechanism up. And how we do that, 6 inches from each side to the slotted. Yeah, so keep making your way. I'd say about 6 inches. And you release the lid by pushing that in. I'd say you're next to it. You probably have to go to the right. It doesn't go out that far. So it's like right there. Or perhaps. See how it goes in? It's not going to go in.
Oh, that right there.
Yeah.
So you push it in?
Push it in. And try to release this lid a little bit. Not that one. That one you sort of got to push in and... Okay. Maybe work on the other side. Because there is on both sides. Okay, let's